Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Kaggle projects to demonstrate analytics skills on LinkedIn, beginner guide step by step clearly. To activate Kaggle projects for showcasing your analytics skills on LinkedIn, start by visiting the Kaggle website. If you don't have an account, create one by signing up with your email or through Google. Log in to your Kaggle account. Once logged in, navigate to the Datasets section to find data relevant to your interests. You can use the search bar to explore various datasets. Choose a dataset that you find engaging and click on it to view the details. On the dataset page, click the Copy API command button to use the dataset in your project. Next, head to the Code section on Kaggle. Click on New Notebook to create a new project. In the notebook, paste the API command you copied to load the dataset into your environment. Start writing your analysis by importing necessary libraries like Pandas, NumPy, or Matplotlib. Clean and pre-process the data using appropriate techniques. Perform your analysis by exploring the dataset and generating insights. Visualize the results with charts or graphs to make your findings clearer. Once you're satisfied with your work, save your notebook. Make sure to give your notebook a clear and descriptive title. Now, click on the Share button in the top right corner of the notebook. Select the public option to make your project visible to others. After sharing, copy the URL link to your Kaggle project. Open LinkedIn and log in to your account. Go to your profile and click on that Add Profile section button. Select Add Featured and then click on Links. Paste the URL of your Kaggle project into the link field. Add a title and description to explain the project and its significance. Save the changes to feature your Kaggle project on your LinkedIn profile. This will demonstrate your analytics skills to potential employers and broaden your professional network. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.